Hello everyone. So in a week I'm going to be traveling around the UK. I will be there for about 10 days. The weather's supposed to be cold, snowy, rainy, and I'm only going to be bringing one carry-on piece of luggage and not checking any bags in. I will have a backpack, but those are the only two things I'm bringing. So this week I thought I would teach you all how to pack for one full week, cold weather, in just a carry-on piece of luggage. When I'm packing for trips like this, I like to make sure that my wardrobe as a whole is very easy to mix and match. So I tend to stick to very neutral colors with just a few things that pop out and can kind of stand on their own. So I'm sticking with basic black pants throughout the week, as well as basic black, white, and gray tops, with the exception of one purple colored sweater and one green colored shirt that can stand on their own. The reason for this is that when I'm mixing and matching, I know the majority of the time all of my articles of clothing will look good together, so I don't have to worry too much about packing too many outfits, and I can just throw things on for the sake of comfort instead. So to start packing, I'm using these packing cubes. You can find these in most stores for a reasonable price. In the smallest garment bag, I'm going to be putting all of my undergarments. I'm taking all of my underwear and rolling them up so that they're nice and compact. And then all of my socks and bras will also go in here as well. So to start with that medium bag, I'm packing some leggings. I'm rolling up each of these shirts so that they fit nice and neat. I have one long sleeve shirt and two t-shirts just for layering in case I get hot. I'm also bringing a nicer pair of hose to wear underneath my romper. In the largest packing cube, I'm going to be putting my sweaters and all of my thicker pieces of clothing. I'm only going to be bringing 2 sweaters just because I tend to favor being comfortable versus style. So as long as I have 2 sweaters that kind of look nice on their own and stand out, I think I'll be fine. And then I'm putting in my jogging pants I sleep in, as well as an extra plaid shirt that can serve as either a shirt on its own or another layer, extra layer that I can put on top of another shirt just for added warmth. So to start packing everything, on the left-hand side, I'm putting down my pair of pants that I'm bringing. The other pair I'll be wearing on the plane. My romper for if I decide to go out somewhere nicer one night, then I'll have an outfit. I will also be placing that nicer going out shirt on top of the pants and the romper, and in the sides I'm packing some extra pair of longer socks in case I need a little bit of extra warmth. I will put that medium-sized bag with all of my shirts / leggings in, and then that smallest packing bag with all of my undergarments and whatnot. I'm also bringing a laundry bag, one that kind of zips up into its own case. I'm also going to bring my umbrella that I'm going to put on the side there. I'm also bringing my film camera, and then that will be everything that goes into this side of the suitcase. For the right side of the suitcase, I'm putting in that largest packing bag. I'm also going to be putting in my shoes, as well as my cosmetics / toiletries bag. And then on top, I'm putting in another extra sweater, and that's everything that will go on this side of the bag. So for inside of my travel bag, I'm carrying this little cosmetic bag that will carry some handy things for the flight. So hand wipes, face wipes, mouthwash, hand cream, some medicine, as well as snacks and whatever. That will all go into this bag. Then that cosmetic bag will go into the very bottom of my backpack and serve as a base. I'm also going to be bringing this pencil pouch. Inside the pencil bag will be a few power blocks, my chargers, my headphones, any kind of wires or anything, just to kind of keep them together and organized. and that will go on top of my cosmetic bag. I will also be putting in 2 paper bag sketchbooks, and in this back compartment I have a little section for pens and pencils that I can use for sketches and also for when I have to fill out government forms. I'm also going to put some gloves back here so that when I land, I don't have to go digging into my luggage to easily reach them. This laptop's going to go in this back little flap so that I have easy access to it, and because I know that it's on me. I'm also going to put some snacks into the main part of the bag as well as some gum. I'm also going to be putting my wallet in here, my Canon camera in here. For now I'm using my Minolta because I'm filming on my Canon. This beanie so that I have quick access to it when I land. In the front flap I'm going to be putting my passport and my notebook that has my itinerary with flight numbers, confirmation numbers, etc. Lastly, all the largest items I'm bringing will be worn on the plane with me. So I will wear my largest cardigan and jacket as well as my boots so that it saves space and weight for my suitcase. If you have any packing tips, let me know down in the comments, and hope you enjoyed this video.